Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm doing, before I tell you what I'm doing, like and share, subscribe. As you can see, I got all the fours. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 other cars right here. This one's gonna be a special build, and you're gonna see a surprise what we got going on with this car, and you're gonna like it. And yes, it's gonna be big. You know, of course the CRV's right there, and I'm still missing one car. But today's not about none of these cars. Hit like, hit share, subscribe, smash the subscribe button. Today we are working on 2004 Honda Civic EX. If you go by chassis number, it's going to be a EM2, and we are doing an exhaust system. So this car is very rusted. I mean, it looks okay. The guy behind me, his name is Damien. He's the owner of the vehicle, and I'm going to help him out with this. The car is okay for his year, runs and good. We did already, if you don't watch my video, we already did that into the video, and now we need to do this little fucker right here. There's a lot of oil underneath the hood, and we're gonna do it Gardini style. So we're gonna do it, cut it real quick. I got the saw right there. We're gonna cut the fuck out of this sauce and get out of here as soon as we can. Okay? By the book, it's supposed to take me 1.5 hours. Let's see if I can beat my time. So it's up. All right, guys. So we already got the sauce leak. I mean, the sauce leak. We have one more bolt right here to take out, and that's gonna come out. And then we're gonna flip the car sideways. So we're gonna have the car this way as high as we can. And I'm gonna go through there. I wanna get the sauce off. I'm gonna cut the muffler because we don't need that muffler. We got this beautiful muffler here that we're gonna come in. The brand is right there. That's the brand that we're using. It's an eBay brand, but listen, it's a rusted vehicle. You need a sauce. We spent $100-something plus on it. And it's gonna make the car sound a little bit better and breathe a lot better with those little Mickey Mouse. How about that? Now we're gonna go up all this much. It's gonna be better. So the only thing I will do in this car is degrease the fuck out of the engine. I mean, we can do that. We can go buy some degreaser. I got a pressure washer here. We can pressure wash it today. Have it all clean up for you. We just gotta cover, take this off, and then degrease the fuck out of it. All right, guys. So stay tuned. We'll take the last bolt out, and we're gonna jump on the. Oh man, it's gonna be like blah 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 blah. It should be good. I don't know. You're probably gonna have to. Hey, pass me the flashlight. The big flashlight. Oh my god, this shit is leaking everywhere down here. Why, that big ground one then? Yeah. Ooh. Thank you. All right. Okay. Onto sensor. Okay, disconnected. I'm gonna go to the front. And that's gonna be the downpipe right there. We're almost done. This is how you take this shit out real quick with no problem. What you do, cut the shit off because you're not gonna use it. A lot of people don't care about these cars anyway. First generation cool shit. Some PV blaster there. Hey, Damien, pull it up. Look at the camera, pull it up. Wow. Alright guys, so basically we are installing the top of the headers right now. I got one more bolt that I'm going to find. I'm going to put in a nut and I'm going to lock this up. And then I got the donut on this kit coming with a donut. It's going to go on the bottom. We're going to put that on and trace it all the way to the bottom. And then this is no longer here. So I did a 1.5 hours and less because the owner didn't know that. The only thing you can keep is the cat converter because they're worth a lot of money. Besides that, the muffler, everything can go in the dumpsters or whatever he wants to. No, I'm saying my house, I can tell you that. And then, you know, we put in a brand new O2 sensors. He's just running it to make sure that it goes where it's supposed to. And, you know, trying to get as OEM possible if you guys want to. Okay, there we go. Let's connect it. This is gonna have to leave it like that because this thing is not.
The tornillo.
No, it's not. This
doesn't reach.
The wire is too short. Okay. It's not gonna hit nothing. So let me get one more screw. Look like a number 12 for that corner.
Yeah, right there. Acuérdate. That one was up here.
Don't worry about that. I'm not gonna use this one.
Okay.
Look, when you got shit like this that doesn't want to come out, that's trouble in the future. This is garbage right now. That's why I got this beautiful
box
here. It's my spare parts from cars and shit. You know, on the boats everywhere. Boom. And then this one's gonna go right here in the end. Make sure that everything fit. Yep. Then we get.
We gotta find the nut.
I'm finding that right now. There's nuts. Okay. Okay. All right. Now I gotta go through all of them, make sure there's not. I'm gonna find a nut real quick. This one is nuts. Huh? Don't worry about them now.
I think I learned it in the plastic, in a little piece of. I heard it land in plastic, so.
There you go, I got it. Whew. Okay. That's cool. So after you get all done, the gun is not strong enough. You gotta get yourself a wrench. You want to torque them, they're only 8 pounds of torque. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. And the last one. There you go. So now this is bolting to the max. Now we're gonna go on the bottom and do the nut, the donut, and all the other shit. Where's the kid that you took out of the shit? So this is the downpipe on the vehicle. I'm gonna leave this to the end. Basically, push it out. This is gonna go in. The O2 sensor is gonna go here.
No, the O2 sensor goes.
Okay, so we gotta tighten this one down.
Yeah. The 02 sensor should go back here.
Okay, so we're gonna take this down real quick.
I mean, I don't know where I don't know where the old O2 sensor was, but yeah.
We're gonna right there. Look, if it goes like this, down like this, it should go over here, over here. One or two. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure out which one it is.
And now this right here comes with the bolts. Actually, it's pretty cool because that end over there bolt in to that, and then this is just for safety. So up here at the bottom, open that up, give me the bolt, and I just need the harness.
Give you the bolts.
Here. Give me one of the bolts. Just get one bolt and give me one bolt, so you can give me the socket size. And maybe we can get 2 more horsepower out of this baby. It's gonna be loud, you know. For a 50-year-old man, this is like a toy right now. Bop, 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 bop. I did a badass burnout last night on the CRX.
No street marks. Though.
Yes, it is. I wouldn't know whether I looked at them. They're very small, but they're there.
Yeah, that's why I didn't see it.
But it sounded so hard, so beautiful. Thanks to Tony tuning. And let me get my light because I'm done.
What do you want?
Well, you're gonna need a wrench in the bottom and one for the top. After I suck it in.
So you're gonna put the socket, you're gonna put the nut?
You see right now. Alright guys, I'm moving up this way. I'll put you right over here where the action is. Where is the donut? Is that me? Oh, I know you were gonna say something like that.
Where'd you put it?
Alright guys, as you can see, we got everything done. Letting everything run. Make sure listen to the muffler. So I don't have anything going on down there. I'm just waiting for one more. We lost the muffler. There you go, guys. Nice and put on. This is gonna vibrate like a motherfucker here, but it's an aftermarket. Usually doesn't happen. We're waiting for one of those rubber holes to hold the muffler off. Everything's quiet. Don't worry, you see it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Car is running, letting it idle right now. So that turned to a different color. You can see how it's turning away from the color already. Let me check and you're checking your light on. Not checking your light on. Guys, you can do stuff like this. It only costs $200 or 150 bucks, I think the owner told me. You get this soft system. I did it a smart way. I didn't want to, because the car is very rusty, so I didn't want to see. Everywhere you go is rust. So I didn't want to deal with the rusted screws or nothing like that. So what I did, I cut it different places with my saw, get rid of it, and then with a new one. That's a Florida car, so it's not gonna need those. It's gonna make noise now. Alright guys, thank you for watching Gajin Garage. Remember my merch, help us out. Thank you for all the subscribers. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.